Muciana cio cikĩrĩ kũu Chad na Nigeria.
Those are third world problems.
Manuel wa Nigeria ona malaria nĩ mamatindĩkaga mũno. Na gatema. Kwa gatema. Thirikari nĩ ĩrũĩte na maũndũ mau witũ. Ithuĩ tũtirĩ horu mũno.
Tũtirĩ horu.
Yes.
No tũtikĩmaraihĩrĩirie atĩ ningĩ mũno.
Ti mũno.
No wega kũmenya.
Yes.
Mbere ya Nigeria.
Yes.
Kĩ life expectancy.
Yes. Magũthaa 52 magakorwo maikaire kĩgĩtĩ kĩa mbere.
Nigeria.
Nigeria mũndũ na 52 rĩ. Nĩanjagia gwetherwo ngũ cia macakaya. Gati kwega ũguo.
Na andũ acio ithĩ matirĩ maguta.
No bũrũri ũcio naguo nĩ kũrĩ andũ athĩni biũ na itonga ng'ũũ.
Ona gĩtonga kĩrĩa ng'ũũ biũ Afrika nĩ gĩa kuma Nigeria.
Gĩetagwo Aliko Dangote.
Ũguo arĩa matonga kũrĩa ndĩ matonga no arĩa mathĩna magathĩna o biũ. Okay.
Oh yes. Yes.
Ine.
Aha. Reure. Lifestyle. Unajua vijana wa Subaru. Sijui or I think my observation or research is that the Subaru Boys most of them have now grown.
You are very right.
Yes.
You are very right.
Yes. Most of the Subaru Boys you used to see on the road saying they no longer have money for misuse because their funds are allocated.
So they have grown.
And they have dependents.
And the economy also has pushed them.
Yes. Now they are asking themselves, is it school fees or fee power?
Is it lent?
Yes. Or because tutiramona bara uria twamonaga and we know their ages, we know. Yes. Ni acio twagweta akuma 92.
Yes.
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 Actually 90. Acio nio marari the Subaru
Boys.
Sasa ni wazazi ndani sana.
Ni wasasi.
Yes.
Masuhuri.
Wako na bomba sinaso wategemea
na majukumu yamekuwa mengi
yanaowaangalia juu. Sasa Subaru zile za kufanya simekuwa za kuenda mwendo wa
aste kama kinyonga
bila kujulisha watumiaji wengine wa barabara kwamba unaendesha motokaya. No. Acio nĩ meheririe rĩrĩ. Nĩ prrr. Nĩ mũcigamba ũguo. Yes. Nĩ makinyĩte mĩaka rĩu ya rĩrĩ. Matingĩhota ona kũnyitana.
Acha.
Nĩ ũrĩa ũigua andũ matagia kĩama marĩa nini. Ciama imwe cia andũ marĩa nini rĩ. Itikĩragia mwakinyia mĩaka 36. Yes. So you can no longer have the fun you used to have.
Na andũ othe rĩu andũ no mathi magĩte majukumu.
Yes.
Very demanding.
Unless you have a very good leadership that defines and customizes the needs on the go. Nwanyita. Ũkoragwo atigwo andũ aigana ona tu ciama yeta irĩkũ. Rĩu andũ a Subaru rĩu to mbogi ni twaharaganire
ni undu wa maundu matigaine.
Yes.
Umwe of course twakiuga miaka, majukumu na hali ya ushumi,
widespread lack of money for luxury ambayo
ilisukuma bei ya mafuta juu.
Yes. There is an age of Gen Z that has now come of age. They are slowly taking over. They are taking over that space. And their signature vehicle is a Volkswagen GTI. Yes. Ukiangalia mabarabarani utawaona. Gari lile si dogo, si la pesa dogo.
Kimwili ni lidogo.
Ni lidogo manake ni ka Golf GTI. Yes.
Kimwili ni lidogo.
Yes.
Kimfuko sio ndogo.
Sio ndogo. Hata kimaintenance
sio ndogo.
Sio ndogo. Lakini wale wanaoliweza kulitumia, they are the upwardly mobile Gen Zs. Maria mande kito mawira yu mekuiku.
Yes.
Yothe izo hari wale makora o menguri kare yothe.
Yori kanirire ngucia. Buru cia reo.
O Gen Z matikire na itanga iria twagwe tiga cia twagwe cisenga kara leke.
Cia ngu na togete guitanga
magi
itoga cia ngu.
Kira kira twagwe tendekire ko muthoni. Cia magigi. Eu Gen Z matie cia magigi. Tigore wa forex.
That you cannot place.
Yeah, as you cannot audit. Look, I am up on the mobile. They are buying that vehicle.
Yes.
It is Swift.
Kanyamuka unegatengeri.
One, Subaru cannot reach that vehicle unless you want to blow the spark plug and the piston. Kanyamuka unekararu marami.
Negathi.
Nitrae tokiro ne kamwe tokiuma naro ko hari andurere. Traigure. Na kena club ya Gen Z rakagura ni mara team makaruka Meru uko mara circuit ya Namanga. They have taken over the road from the Subaru Boys. Yes,
the Subaru gang has arrested and ventured elsewhere.
Yes, they are now the marine ihogota muko olekiro hale waigwa keoni thengera.
So the new entrants,
yes,
and they
have not come to play.
No.
Because one car will carry at least 2 males and 6 females for show off. Na kwenda tuendagi jasani room. Yes. Fully loaded. Na kethi kera mine.
So it is very stable.
Yes.
Ugo nako mwenyerere.
Na nekarito neka German machine. Yes.
Nako bump.
Yeah,
bump is in Dungu.
No, you have money to go around the world, but you buy a car that makes you go around bumps. Kau bumps ya kayore. Tota cia kayore cio ngeirwo ri engiri. Idie kanero wagera fara ya kayore ya thini.
I have not been to Kayore for a while.
Endo bumps ya kunedungu. Kwa jana stage ya mihango ko go kumera spine road ri. Na kanisani ni ndungu. Yes. Siana bumps yerere. Ene kudai tokire bumps.
Ona no than bypass.
Horrible bumps.
Yes, horrible bumps.
What? Me bulele. Ai. Neta modocio mokanrasia wire aitera mire othe nayo.
Neta gukundu gwatigarire rami. Akiona mihorore yothe hau.
Leo tokari tu expressway. To GTI to. They are showing off. Yes.
Ni njira ku itugoneka ngio express yo wagweta. Na ti ati ona ni ndagithiete kahora.
Yes. Wale ogasiko.
No ndatengerete wega kidogo. No riu nako ni gatengerete makiria.
Yes. Hene karathonga. Tutie na andu aige. You see Gen Z wale matakinyite kau tondu kena goro katwendia 18 milioni 3. Heya. Yes.
Wakeigwa ni ukugwa mondo.
Ugithiire mundu gwetwo Jojo wakabila ri. Awethera na ngoichi. Yangi 3. Yes.
Ugicoka kaigirira insurance ya comprehensive ri.
Yes.
Nuona ni kugwa mondo.
Ona heo da fae. Nuona ni 150 gakwe meri. Yes.
Riu kau ni karenda mundu ningi ukirima rimite.
Yes. Riu kau ri. Riu aria no matarakinyeria kau ri marathaka na CX3. Ndingienyerania na kau.
The CX group.
Yes. They say those cars are not built for speed, it's for comfort. They are your Harriers, CX-5s. They will not give you the wow takeoff. The X-Trails, no. In an X-Trail, in the case you hate the model, the X-Trail, there's a particular model. Yes. It's your wow. But they will.
You'll be there. You could happen.
They will handle you and your pocket. No, GTI, Tikamodo, we can Nigeka Tafu.
Nako is not an off-road thing.
Katani.
Wagweta ku.
Na theta.
Kodo gutari Ferrari.
Yes.
Utashuka.
Kau kamande de kurathi na kodaraja.
Jos katheini.
Hapana. Wachana nako.
Weta watera huko gitengera na huko.
Non copy. Yes.
Don't.
Githeria theini. Toko na gutheria galenta neto kuraga mahiga. Kauna ya kundu kwina rami bori
good roads.
Yes.
Paved roads.
Mwena wa 44 gakinya Mirema.
Yes. Past Mirema.
Yes.
Sasa utarundi Japan.
Tarundi Japan. As you GTI, they are now the owners of the road on tarmac.
And they are quite a number in the inaitwaje hapa Kiambu Road.
Kiambu Road, that is their headquarters.
Sasa hiyo ndio ngome.
Hiyo ndio ngome ya
na matieto kathi ndegua.
Pana. No, come on, Duberi. Hana. Utarangira Kiambu town we aguoko guku he andu thia heta gwatia.
On your right kana left.
On the left. Utarangira haho uguo. Gocirithia thikari he gacira ke hau. Uikuruka okambata.
Guthie prison.
Nathia kumira nginya Nazareth ugithi nako gothe. Citingiraga na ha.
Asa. Uko ni bali umeenda bali sana.
Yes. Tatithiaga Ruwera.
Hapana.
Tiga kuingia nako Wagi Githii. Western bypass. Yes.
Todo. Wayaki wele.
Yes.
Not very many places will accommodate it.
You know, Wayaki, we have come to realize once you leave the highways, most of the places there have horrible roads.
No, very bad roads.
Horrible.
Tiga highway.
Tiga highway.
Paraisi ingi cia gutonya kundu kuingi ni njoru pio.
Deplorable. Useless. You see, Thika Road near the Faraja, Wauma Highway.
Yes.
Yes.
Wayaki we Tiga highway.
Wauma. Kwaja the underpasses are horrible.
Njoru pio.
Yes.
Pio.
Now you are in the know.
Now you know.
Ndomerio wamenyithio ni JKA. No rio kuigua horo cio amenyithie ki?
Ucio ngi. Thaa 10:56.